back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. Now we just arrived here in Mumbai. It's been a while since I've been here. The flight time was almost 8.5 hours. We had a tailwind, and based on what I heard from the pilot, going back home it will be a very long way. It's almost 9.5 hours on the way back. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the small room tour. This will be our crib for the next 24 hours. And of course, the moment you have been waiting for, our usual bed test. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Finally arrived here. We were not full today, and we flew in with the 777-300, one of our biggest plane here at our company. So as for now, take a shower. I would like to have a breakfast tomorrow downstairs. Time check, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning here, and the breakfast ends at 11, so I need to go get some sleep right now. No plans made for tomorrow because it's just a 24-hour stop. So I'm gonna take a shower now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night from Mumbai. See you tomorrow. Namaste and good morning from India. Well, there's nothing much to vlog about Mumbai today, as we came in very late last night and I slept through the whole day. Time check is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm very happy that they have a late breakfast up here, so I need to hurry up, go downstairs, or else I won't find anything to eat anymore. What to do in a 24 hours layover? They have a pool where we can hang out the whole day, of course, and they have the gym. If you want to use the spa, you need to pay for it. But as a gift to myself, because I work hard during the flight and working hard going back home, I book an Indian massage. I'm really curious right now, and we get a 20% discount, I guess. So that's a good deal. But when I calculated it with the euro price, it's almost the same though. But we are in India, we need to experience it. So I need to hurry up now, go downstairs and have my late breakfast, or else we won't find anything to eat anymore. Well, I'm gonna keep you updated just to show you how my 24 hours layover looks like. It looks luxurious sometimes, but this is a very short stay. Hoping next time when I have a longer layover to show you more of the city here in Mumbai. Well, talk to you later. We're done swimming for today. can't wait, guys. I booked a relaxation massage here in Mumbai. Really curious. I can choose whether it's a girl or a guy. So we chose a guy for the massage for tonight. And after that, I think I'm just gonna have some room service. It's just a couple of hours before pickup. And then we're done here in Mumbai. Next flight is to St. Martin. I'm hoping to take my sister with me. So let's go downstairs. I think that guy is already waiting for me. Okay, wish me luck. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's not my first time though. I did it a couple of times already, but not this luxurious though. In my room, and the massage was fantastic, and I almost fell asleep though. It's a couple of hours just before pickup. I think we still have 3 hours. And I wanted to go to the restaurant, but I can barely open my eyes. Just ordered an in-room dining, a room service, and we opted for the biryani. So you wanna check it out? And this is what we got today. Biryani, some condiments, and papadums. Alrighty. Okay. We still have half an hour to go downstairs for the pickup. So I hope you had a little bit of insight how we spent our 24 hours, our very short layover here in Mumbai. Next time, if I have a bit more time, I will show you around here. And if you are new to my channel, of course, thank you for watching my vlog and thank you for tuning in. Please help my small YouTube channel grow by liking it, by sharing it, and of course by subscribing. So next flight or next destination will be St. Martin. It's in the Caribbean. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.